Hello dear students, welcome back to online class from LPM Public School in Gola Bazar. I am Zainab Mirza of your English subject teacher. I hope you will be fine at your home, but you will continue with us by the help of online classes because education is the must for bright future. So let's start the exercise. Before do the exercise, I will explain again this story of this chapter. Okay. The little duckling is a baby of duck. This is a very interesting and also moral story of the little duckling. There are 4 characters in this story, but the little duckling is a main characters. Okay, they are sparrow, rabbit, hen, and mama duck. Okay, this story moves around the little duckling and characters. I will tell you summary about the little duckling. Ducky was a little duckling. One day, she was going for a swim. On her way, she saw a sparrow. She looked up at the sparrow. Sparrow sat on the tree. She was also wanted to sit on the tree. Sparrow said to little duckling that you need a strong feet like me to sit on the tree. Ducky looked down at her feet and said, I could not sit on the tree because I had not strong feet. Ducky walked on. She had come to an open field. Then she saw a rabbit hopping. She wanted to hop like rabbit. Rabbit said to Ducky that you need a long feet to hop. Do you have long feet? Ducky again looked down at her feet. She became sad because her feet was very short. So she couldn't hop like rabbit. She reached a farm. She saw a hen digging the ground for worms. Ducky was also scratch ground for worms. Hen told her that you need sharp claws to scratch the ground. Ducky again felt sorry and said that I have no sharp claws, so she could not able scratch the ground. Ducky walked on. She saw a mama duck who was swimming in the pond. Ducky was also wanted to swim like Mama duck. Mama duck asked to Ducky, you come in the pond and try for swimming. Finally, Ducky started to swim. Quack, quack. Ducky became so happy and said that my flat feet are so good. At last moment, she had understood that a sparrow, a rabbit, a hen could not swim, but I can swim. But because she had flat feet. Okay. Now she was very happy and also feel proud. Let's we do start the exercises. Exercise A. Who said these words and to whom? Write their names on the blanks. First, you need strong feet like mine. Who said these words and to whom? Sparrow to ducky. Sparrow said to ducky. And also second, I wish I could hope like you. Who said this sentence? To whom? Ducky said to rabbit. Okay. And next, third, do you have surplus? Who said this sentence? To whom? Hen said to ducky. Now the next exercise B. Answer these questions. Where was ducky going? Ducky was going for a swim. You have read the story about little duckling, so you can give the answer. Okay. Where was ducky going? Ducky was going for a swim. Okay. What was the rabbit doing? The rabbit was doing the rabbit was hopping. Next, where was the hen? Hen was in the farm. Next, fourth question, what was Mama Duck doing? Mama Duck was swimming in the pond. And now the last question of the B exercise. Name 3 animals ducky met on the way to the pond. Which animals met to ducky? Ducky met sparrow, hen, rabbit, and also Mama Duck on the way to the pond. Okay. Now the next exercise C. Play with words. Okay. Find from the lesson and write the opposites of these words. What will be opposite word of the big? Little. Okay. Here is given for you opposite words of these words. Okay. Up. What will be opposite word of up? Down. Okay. Down will be opposite word of up. And stand. Sit opposite word will be of stand. Okay. And next fourth, weak, strong, short, long. And also 6, bad, good. Next exercise D. You can do it self. Okay. Very easily. Here is given for you word meaning for learn and practice. What means little duckling? Little duckling means a baby of duck. And worm means insect. And also what you mean by short? Short means small. Sharp means keen or blunt. And what you mean by reached? Arrived. Okay. Scratch, groove or scrap. Okay. Now next exercise, answer this question. I will explain already in the book exercises, so you have to do this. Help the notes. Question number 1, where was Ducky going? Okay, I'm already told you Ducky was going for a swim. And next, what was the rabbit doing? The rabbit was hopping. Okay, and where was the hen? The hen was in the farm. And last question, what was Mama Duck doing? Mama Duck was swimming in the pond. And also question number 5, name 3 animals Ducky met on the way to the pond. Ducky met sparrow, rabbit and the hen on the way to the pond. Okay, you can practice and learn in your CW and SW at your home. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.